Hi, LearnDash course creators. Welcome to our channel. If you use Prestoplayer videos in LearnDash courses, we have a good news for you. You can import Prestoplayer videos in bulk easily. This will immensely save your time to build a LearnDash course. For this, you will need to install two plugins. One is the Prestoplayer plugin and the other premium plugin called LearnDash Course Importer. Once you installed these plugins, go the Prestoplayer menu in WordPress admin sidebar and click the Media Hub option. Now, create your Media Hub as per your video source. Put a title and select video source, like Vimeo, YouTube or local video option, and paste your video URL. Next, set your video thumbnail and color, etc., and hit the Publish button. Most important is that you can see your video shortcodes are listed under the Media Hub page. This step is required to create all Media Hubs for your online courses. Now, go to Import Courses under the LearnDash menu and download the course import template. Next, fill your required course information. In case of lesson and topic content, you need to fill your lesson and topic text with Prestoplayer shortcode. Write Y in these columns to enable the Prestoplayer in the lesson and topic settings. Important note is that, if you write before in the When to Show column under Lessons, then the video will be shown. But, the video must be fully watched before the user can access the lesson's associated steps. And if you write after in the When to Show column, it will show you, Please log in for access, text in the lesson video overlay. The video will be visible only after the user has completed the lesson's associated steps. The full video must be watched in order to complete the lesson. So, we should write before in the When to Show column for lessons. Another point one must note that if you want to enable Prestoplayer, do not fill the video URL. Once you filled all required information, save your template. Next, upload the saved template in the LearnDash course import page. Your courses will import within a second. Isn't it great? Let's see how it will look at the front-end site. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates on LearnDash Premium plugin tutorials.